But if you close your eyes,
Yo, what's going on, guys? Today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on the plugin called DuelMe. So this plugin lets you set up an arena on your Minecraft server that lets players be able to duel each other out. So either for fun, or maybe one player thinks that they're better than the other, they can find out who's better and fight each other to the death. So it's a really cool plugin, and it doesn't take much time to set it up. All you need is this plugin and the plugin called WorldEdit. So that will be in the description. Both of them will be in the description. Make sure you click on the link in the description, click download now, right here, hit keep, and drag this DuelMe.jar inside of your plugins folder. So once it's in there, go ahead and start up your server. So while my server is started up, I want to explain how cool this plugin is. So with this plugin, it also has stats. You can check your players' stats, and your players can check their own stats, so they can compete to be the best PvP player on your Minecraft server, which is a pretty cool feature. So now that it's loaded up, we're going to go inside our plugins folder and open up the DuelMe folder. So there's going to be three things, but we're just going to worry about the config.yml. So right click on that, hit add with Notepad or Notepad++. So here you should see some settings. You're able to add your MySQL database settings onto here, but if you don't have one, don't worry about that section. Now here are the actual settings for the duel. You can change the countdown time, how long the match lasts, and if you want separate inventories, so if you want to keep their inventory on their actual Minecraft server away from when they actually duel it out, you can do that. Just set it to true. You can change right click to duel, drop items on death, and the minimum bet amount. So they can bet on these matches, and you can set the minimum amount of money that they can possibly bet. And here, the announcements, these will be announced all across the server, so everyone will see it. You can set what you want announced, and the commands. So when the duel starts, these commands will be executed. So whatever player it is, they're going to be given these items here. You can change the items or add some new commands in and change the amount here. And a command will be executed to the winner also. You can change that. So make sure to save your settings and restart your server if you change anything. But now we're going to head on to our Minecraft server. Alright guys, so once you're in Minecraft server, it is pretty easy to set up this duel arena. You can set up as many as you want, keep that in mind. Alright, so once you have your arena, we're going to go ahead and get started with the commands. So the first command that you want to type is //1. So this will give you the WorldEdit axe. Now you're going to have to select your two corners of your arena. So I put a block right here as if there was an actual corner right here because it's a circle arena. But if you already have a square arena, you can just select the top corner of it, left click. Now we're going to go to the bottom right corner. So all the way down here and then all the way to the right. So it's basically just going diagonal. Alright, so right click to select your second point. Once you have that, just type the command /DuelAdmin create. Now call this arena anything that you want to call it. I'm just going to call my arena lava. Alright, so the next thing that you're going to want to do is you're going to want to set the spawn point for both the players inside of your arena. So just go to the first spawn point where you want your players to spawn at. Then just type the command /DuelAdmin set spawn point 1 and then your arena name. So mine's called lava. I'm going to type lava. Alright, so we set that spawn point. Now we're going to go to the other spawn point where we want the other player to spawn at. Stand there, type the exact same command except change 1 to 2. So it should look like that. Hit enter. There we go. That is basically it for this setting up the arena part. Now if you want to invite your friend or your players want to invite another player that they want to beat up and kill, then they can just type the command /duel send and then the player's name. I don't have anyone on the server, so I can't really show you how that works. They just type the player name, and then the other player would go /duel accept and then the player's name that sent them the invite. So it'd be someone else's name. They'd hit enter and then they'd be sent here to duel it out. So that is it for the tutorial. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to drop a like, subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and peace out guys.
Cause it's on a mindset, it's what you gotta get. It's 100 times you gotta stay positive. This is doing now, this is living life. If you coming with me, baby, we're doing it right. I said we're doing it right. Everybody will be doing it right.